everybody, how you doing? Welcome to my shop. This is my shop in the garage that I put together. I have a tandem garage, so I have this nice little insert that I put together here. And slowly but surely, I have built this just about to exactly what I wanted. I wanted this workshop to be very modular, meaning that I want all my stuff to be on wheels. These are all my tables, they all move. All my benches and everything, my drill press and all this, I could actually move it around if need be. And that's one of the coolest things about this shop that I want to put together. Now, with this big table that I built and put together here, this thing itself, unfortunately, is not on wheels. And I've been contemplating on moving this table to this side and flipping it just because of the way the door is over here and some other things. But nonetheless, I haven't gotten to it because this thing's a beast. I got all my drawers put on here. They're filled with stuff and things like this. But what I've been trying to think of how I could go ahead and get either some buddies over here moving around. Then, fortunately, a company called ProCaster contacted me and wanted to know if I wanted to go ahead and try out their workbench casters. And I was like, you know what? The energy in the air was there because I was saying, you know what? This just might be the ticket. So what we're going to do is I am going to put these casters together, install them on each corner of this bench, and well, let's see if we can move it. Let's get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Alright, let's see what's in this box here. Looks like we have the instructions, which is definitely a good thing to have. Alright, pretty basic. I have 4 of the pieces there. Alright, mounting instructions. Mark your drill points on the workbench leg 2" and 4 1/4 inch from the bottom of the leg. Drill 2 pilot holes in the workbench. Then we attach the support base. The pedal bracket assembly is what they call that. So then we attach the pedal bracket assembly to the post, then the casters, then it looks like we put the wheels on. So let's go ahead and put that together. That is pretty basic, pretty straightforward. So we have in the box, we have the 4 pedal brackets. Wow, that's some pretty gear. Now, one thing that it said in the specifications on Amazon that this can actually lift 800 pounds. So, let's see what it can do. Then we got the casters, and we got 4 casters. That is one heavy duty. Good ball bearing slides. Alright. So ideally it would be nice to set it up right here, because that's the meat of the leg. But unfortunately, I cannot get back here due to the fact it's behind the wall. Also, I think I prefer to have it over here so it's not intruding here in my walking path. So we got to make sure, hopefully, where this gap is here, that we're at 4 3/4 inches. So let's see where we are, which is literally right there. And we want 2 inches here. So we got 2 inches here and 4 3/4 here. I think we should be alright being able to get this centered like they said in the 1.5 inches. I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will not have one screw here floating. Now I can put a piece of wood in here, I guess. That won't be the easiest project. I think it should be. I mean, 5 screws. I'm hoping it should hold it. All we can do is try it. If it doesn't seem secure, we won't do it. We're going to connect this right here. Let's do it. Alright, so let's line this up here. What we want to do is line this up on the edge here, and then we want to line it up on that 4 3/4 line. Put a couple holes there. Then we have the holes down here, and we're going to put a hole here and a hole here. Alright, so we've got our marks. Let's get our drill. We're going to put some pilot holes in here. Alright, pretty simple enough. Let's screw that on. These screws are pretty beefy. So let's, which is nice, because these, it looks like they're 2.5-2-inch screws here. There's a little bit of awkward angle. There we go. Okay, that one in. Let's do the bottom center one first. Make sure we got that center support stabilized. Okay, that's good. Wow, that's pretty beefy. All right, let's go ahead and get the other one done. Alright, then we put this on like this. We put the lock washer on there. And we're going to put the bolt on here. Or the nut, I should say, on there. I got my adjustable wrench out. I'm not sure if it's 11/16 or what size this nut is. But I just grabbed my adjustable wrench, figured it's just easier. And clamp that down. Don't over clamp it. Yeah, you can feel it right there. I feel like it's snug. Alright, let me put the other one on back here. Do the other side, and we'll see how they work. Alright, got the casters on. See how they work. This caster doesn't work that way. See the back one first. Alright, I lifted it up. I want to put it up that way. I want to see how much more we get any higher by going that direction. Alright, well, as you can see, it lifted it up. It lifted it a good 1/2 inch off the floor. Let's get the other side lifted up and see if we can move this thing. We got lift off, you guys. Holy oh my gosh. So as you can see, I am actually able to move this whole table now, which is impressive, because this thing is a beast. And I can move it forward, backwards. I can get out from the wall now, because I got stuff behind here I gotta get. So I got some things I gotta collect back here. But I gotta tell you guys, the ProCasters are really impressive. And it's supporting this whole bench, guys. So I can actually clean this bench behind it now, move this bench on the other side. My whole workshop now is a module workshop. I'm very excited about this. I want to thank ProCasters for sending me these and giving them a shot and try them out. Thank you so much. And if you guys want a set of these, I'll have the link down below. They have a little website, but you get them on Amazon. What a heck of a great deal. This is awesome. Hey, well, thanks for watching, you guys. Hopefully you build your own workbench and or install these to your existing ones like I did. Thanks for watching. Needless to say, keep working in your workshop.